We're very much looking forward to the PT Expo. We really like that it's mixing in a larger audience. We think it's going to be representing everybody throughout the supply chain. Mold makers, molders, the tier 1 guys, and the OEMs. They'll be attending, so we're excited and we're getting ready for a great year in 2022. When I'm asked why people should attend PT Expo, it's like, why would you not? We have to be able to shake hands, further our relationships, learn about new things that are out in the market. Otherwise, the world can just pass us by. We can all Google for information, research things on our own, but it's really about the relationships. Who do you know who can help you out of a jam? Who do you know who can further advise you as to how a technology might fit with your company? We don't learn as much sitting within our 4 walls at our desks than we do when we get out and we get into the industry and intermix it up a little bit.